How to Draw Plants. Tips by Vladimir London, a Life Drawing Academy tutor. In the Life Drawing Academy course, students receive unlimited personal tutoring and make 100 drawing tasks. Alex asked the following question.
Hi Vladimir, I have a quick question here. This is what I'm currently drawing, and my challenge here is to understand how to approach such complexity, and I feel kind of overwhelmed, like I don't really understand if I should be doing every single leaf or I should just estimate their positions, and also if I should just be hiding most of it in shadow. What approach do you recommend I get here?
Thank you very much for your question. I like your artwork. You are on the right path. There are different ways of drawing flowers, leaves, and greenery, and they would depend on a creative task you have in mind. If you want to make a very accurate drawing that shows every feature of a plant, then attention to detail is the key. This approach is good for hyper-realistic botanical illustrations. On another hand, you may want to give an impression rather than a detailed description. You have an artistic license to omit some details and even exaggerate certain features. Counting every leaf is not necessary. Also, if you feel that your artwork would benefit from a bit different shape of the plant, making it a bit taller, for example, you can do it as well. For this task, you can make a well-rendered drawing of a few frontal leaves and diffuse in the aerial perspective the background foliage. How much to diffuse is your creative approach. Plants are not portraits. No one will argue that you did not depicted every single leaf. As with any object, first draw big masses, the overall shape of the plant without any details. Measure its height to width ratio and outline with virtual lines its outer boundaries. Then specify some smaller volumes, for example a group of several leaves. Afterwards, go for smaller details like individual leaves and their features. This way, you can get the overall shape from the beginning and can decide how detailed your drawing should be as you go. I hope this helps. If you are not a Life Drawing Academy member, check out its free video lessons at lifedrawing.academy/free.